Hello student, in this video we have created in article ads for our WordPress website or for our blogger website. So we have already created display ads and in feed ads. So in this, click on in article ads. This ad is look like as in feed ads, but this ad we use in article, and in feed ads we use in feed. So you have also customize your ad, and first you change the ad font. So click on ad font, and so we have choose Vardana, and the text will be changed. So we have also customize title. The color will be changed, and then we have change your description color. So we have choose this color, and description color will be changed. Not a good color. It is a good color, so description will be changed, and then we have choose background color. So I have choose this color for background, and the background color will be changed. And you must allow to the global option, and then click on add unit name and write your add unit name. So in article add for Park GOVT job, and then click on save and get code. So click on copy snippet code, and I have opened my website to place this code. My website is opening, parkgovtjob.com. It is a Pakistan based job website. And then go to posts, so click on edit, so I have replaced this ad code from my in article ads code. So paste here, and you will see the name of my ad in here. Where is my ad name? In article ad? No, in article ad. So click on preview. It will be generated. Take some time. Yes, it's generated. So the ad look like that on your website, and then click on update, and this Google AdSense ad will be updated. Thank you for watching this video.